Charlotte Fields, and this is my Worldview and Values presentation. What is a worldview? A worldview, according to the dictionary, is a particular philosophy or of life or conception of the world. Worldview gives you perspective. My worldview is a theistic worldview. I try to gently apply God's truth to my life. I believe God is real, He's all-loving, all-knowing, and He is my truth. My parents had the biggest impact on my values and beliefs. My morality, my discipline come from my parents. My grandparents also were a big impact on my worldview, and honesty is the thing I recognize that I received from my grandparents. My parents and grandparents just shaped those values for me, and I thank them for it today. They made me who I am today. I grew up Catholic, and I recognize that ritual is a big part of me. I enjoy that about the Catholic Church. When I'm upset today, I often do a ritual type prayer, or I also have a cleaning ritual. When I'm upset or when I clear my head, I start cleaning my house, and that helps. I believe ritual can help you bring you focus and bring you perspective on what's important and what's not important. My work values. About 2 years ago, I worked for a place, and I worked there for 12 years, and they had a change of ownership, so I decided to reevaluate my professional life, and I decided I wanted to also change jobs. I think it gave me the incentive to force a change in me. It also gave me time to focus on what I wanted in my professional life, and I decided I wanted to finish my degree, because when I was job searching, a lot of jobs wanted a degree, even though I was qualified. They wouldn't consider me just because I didn't have a degree. So that's how I found SMU in the Organizational Leadership Program. This program impacted me in various ways. Most important was that it forced me to reflect on professional development, and I learned a lot about communication, human resource functions, research, all the things I never would have taken time to do or think about, and I'm very thankful for that. I think it will help me in the future in so many ways. Plus, it's cool to know that you know more about those subjects. I think it makes you a more valuable employee. My future is very bright because I'm finishing this program. My short-term goal is to enroll in the master's. I'm choosing the MSM program, the Masters of Science and Management, because my long-term goal is that I want to be a director of a division in state or federal government. I want to be a leader in our government someday. Well, thank y'all for so much. Thank you, fellow classmates, and thank you to all my teachers and my counselors. I am kind of sad to let this part go, but I'm looking forward to everything it brought me. So have a great evening, and thank you.